Often people ask me, when Swami is there, Vibhuti is there, why hospital? When Vibhuti can cure, why did he put so many crores and making super specialty hospital? I am often asked. The great question that is asked. But you know, it was not a great question for me. Living in the professional field of medicine, I can tell you, if you have faith in Vibhuti, nothing is required. Being medical, I'll tell you. How I can tell you authentically, I'll tell you now. I have one of my relations in Bangalore, in the same place. Somewhere in 98, 99, somewhere around that, Manipal Hospital diagnosed that man has got lung cancer. And I got the phone call. So and so has been diagnosed. You know who is that man? That man is the son of Kalluri Gopal Rao, who lived for 101 years in the presence of Swami, his son. And Gopal Rao himself was treated for bladder cancer. I don't like to go on to the details. Now I'll tell you the faith, what is that? All of you, my dear children, if there is no faith, you cannot move an inch. The world lives on faith. You know what that man has done it? He said, you know, the cancer treatment means, my God, treatment is worse than disease. Hair loss, appetite lost, weight loss, already cancer, everything is lost, pocket is lost, and ready to go there. Everything is done. He said, you know what he said? I will not take anything. I will go to Swami. At that time he was very much there. Every day morning he used to sit for Nagar Sankirtan, morning darshan, evening bhajan, stay and then go. Almost within 1 week of his stay, Swami came to him, created Vibhuti and gave him. He said, swallow it. And he swallowed it. 1 month over. Second month again another dose of Vibhuti. Again he has given, he has taken it. And then went into the third month again. You know one day what Swami said? Why are you still here? Swami, you know I have come, I have got my problem. That problem is gone. Now you can go back to your work. What a wonderful statement. And he came back to Bangalore, got X-ray and everything is done. The same Manipal hospital reviewed. He said, where did you undergo this treatment? There are two types of doctors when they ask this question. Where did you undergo? They want to copy it, or they will be amazed there is something then. Let me also find out about that drug, whether I can distribute to other fellows. That cannot be done like that. What I am trying to impress upon all of us is the faith moves everything. That is why in one of the discourses, how Swami started, you know it. Everything life is born or begins with a belief. Belief ends in thoughts. Thoughts mean actions. Actions will become habits. Habits becomes character. Character becomes our destiny. This is the sequence, all of my friends, whether it is for you or for me. Start with belief, you will end here with a beautiful destiny. If there is no belief, there is no character, there is no destiny at all. Everything, any number of times you must have seen. And Swami said, you are putting your clothes with a faith on your dhobi or the washerman. You are putting your head before a barber and with a faith that he will cut not your neck, only your hair. So much everything world runs on faith, faith, faith. But somehow, man is doubt, doubt, doubt.